Cooking phrasal verbs. Listen and repeat. Bake off. Bake off. It means finish baking. Examples: let's bake off the croissant for breakfast. I have baked off fresh bread for bakery. Boil away. Boil away. It means reduce a liquid by boiling. Examples: we need to boil away the excess water from the soup. There's so much water in the stew. Boil it away. Boil over. Boil over. It means overflow while boiling. Examples: the pot boiled over and made a mess on the stove. There's so much water in the pot, it will boil over. Boil down. Boil down. It means eat something quickly. Examples: we need to boil down our breakfast and leave for work. He's always bolting down his food. Chop up. Chop up. It means cut into smaller pieces. Examples: chop up the vegetables for the salad. First chop up the onion and then fry it. Cut up. Cut up. It means chop into smaller pieces. Examples: cut up the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Would you mind cutting up the tomatoes? Eat out. Eat out. It means eat in a restaurant. Examples: let's eat out tonight and try the new Italian place. She loves to eat out on the weekends. How often do you eat out? Comment below. Eat up. Eat up. It means finish your food. Examples: eat up your vegetables before having dessert. You can play when you eat up your lunch. Fry up. Fry up. It means cook something in oil. Examples: let's fry up some bacon and eggs for breakfast. Fry up the potato. The guests will arrive any minute now. Peek at. Peek at. It means eat food without enthusiasm. Examples: he just picked at his salad and didn't really eat much. Don't pick at your food. You make me spoil my appetite. Pig out. Pig out. It means eat a lot of food in a short time. Examples: we pigged out on pizza and ice cream last night. He pigged out on lunch like he hadn't eaten for days. Mix in. Mix in. It means add. Examples: mix in the butter with dry ingredients. I forgot to mix in the milk. Slice off. Slice off. It means cut. Examples: slice off a piece of the cheese for the crackers. My dad sliced off some cheese for breakfast. Warm up. Warm up. It means heat a meal. Examples: I always warm up some milk and drink it every night. Warm up the leftover for lunch. Whip up. Whip up. It means quickly prepare something. Examples: let's whip up some appetizer for the party. She was in the kitchen whipping up a batch of cakes. Dish up. Dish up. It means serve food. Examples: I'll open the wine while you dish up. They dished up a superb meal. Force down. Force down. It means make yourself eat something. Examples: to be polite, I forced down the oyster and smiled at her. She felt sick, but managed to force down a piece of toast. Polish off. Polish off. It means finish food or drink. Examples: Alex had no trouble polishing off the chocolate mousse. Sam polished up the rest of the pizza. For more vocabulary videos, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends.